Hi students, today we are going to learn another important concept, alcohols preparation from carbonyl compounds by reduction. Reducing agents are lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride and hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium. So we can use different reducing agent based on the reactant we are selecting. Carbonyl compounds. What is meant by carbonyl compounds? So first we have to discuss the meaning for carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds nothing but, look here, C double bond O group. C double bond O group. It is a carbonyl functional group which is polar in nature. Which is polar because carbon less electronegative, oxygen more electronegative, del minus, del plus. Carbonyl group is a polar. Clear? So this carbonyl group is there, that is we are calling as carbonyl compounds. These carbonyl compounds are very interactive, like C double bond O group we have here, or C double bond OH aldehyde, or C double bond O R ketones, or C double bond O OR esters, or C double bond O OH. Similarly, or C double bond O Cl, acid chlorides. So where C double bond O group is there, those all are carbonyl compounds which are having polar in nature. Clear? So from these compounds, that is from carbonyl compounds, by reduction method, by using the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, hydrogen in the presence of metallic catalyst like nickel, platinum, palladium we are using. So this is about carbonyl groups. Let me discuss. Before going into that, first we have to learn about reducing agents. If you know clearly about reducing agents, then any reaction you can make the product within 30 seconds for competitives, especially for NEET and JEE. First I am explaining how hydrogen in the presence of metallic catalyst like nickel, platinum, palladium will reduce compounds. Here I am taking hydrogen in the presence of platinum, palladium or nickel, any one, no need all. These are reducing agent. Now what it will do means, this is hydrogen. So this hydrogen for reduction, what is the duty of this platinum or palladium or nickel means, these are helping for breaking the bonds. Metallic catalyst helping for breaking the bonds. Then one is minus, one is plus. Like that, metallic catalyst helping for bonding. You know very well, catalyst not participating in the reaction, they are just helping for the bonding. Now, what type of compounds are reduced in the presence of hydrogen by metallic catalyst, platinum, palladium or nickel? We have different compounds. Here I am showing. C double bond C alkenes or alkynes are converted into alkanes. To reduce alkenes or alkynes to alkanes, we can use hydrogen in the presence of platinum, palladium or nickel. Clear? Next, this can reduce aldehyde. This can reduce aldehyde to alcohol. This can reduce aldehyde to alcohol. Clear? Reduce aldehyde to alcohol. Next, another one. We have ketones. We have ketones. Ketones can be reduced to alcohols. To alcohols. Next, we have cyanides. We have cyanides. Cyanide functional group. Cyanide functional group. Cyanide functional group can be reduced to 1 degree amines. 1 degree amines. Clear? Next, this can reduce alkyl halide. Alkyl halide to RH means alkanes. Even it can reduce esters also to primary alcohol. Ester to primary alcohol. This you have to remember. So hydrogen in the presence of platinum or palladium or nickel can perform alkene or alkynes to alkane. Aldehyde can be reduced to alcohol. Ketones can be reduced to alcohol. Cyanides are reduced to primary amines. Alkyl halides can be reduced to alkanes. Even esters also reduced to alcohols. Clear? This is the capacity of hydrogen in the presence of metallic catalyst. So this you have to remember. Next, another catalyst we have. Another reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride. It is a strong reducing agent. This you have to remember. If you are using this, it acts as a strong reducing agent in nucleophilic addition reaction. So if you are taking lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent, nucleophilic addition reaction will takes place. Now, what it will do? See, this will reduce all carbonyl compounds. Almost all carbonyl compounds will be reduced by this. What are carbonyl compounds? Aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, even acid chloride. These all will be reduced by this group maximum to alcohols. These all to alcohols. Almost to alcohols. Clear? This is the method. But it will not reduce. C double bond C or C triple bond C or N triple bond N. So these groups will not reduced. These groups will not reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. All that is double bonded, triple bonded or triple bonded N same, because it can reduce only carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds which are polar. Polar nature functional groups only reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. That you have to remember. Only polar. Only polar. Like C double bond O we have, and it is positive, it is negative. Clear? But one exception we have here. One exception. Compounds like, for example, here I am taking CH double bond CH2, and this is we are calling styrene. What we are calling? Styrene. Here we have double bond system, double bonded system, but it will be reduced. Exceptional cases, because this phenyl group shows plus M effect. Due to plus M effect, it will show reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So this is the reactivity. Aldehydes can be reduced, ketones can be reduced, acids, esters, acid chlorides, all will be reduced maximum to alcohols, but these not reduced by double bonded, triple bonded system, because these are non-polar. Both are same carbons na, so polarity not there. Non-polars cannot be, but here non-polar, when phenyl ring is bonded, but this shows plus M effect, mesomeric effect. Due to this effect, this one exception case will be reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. Cyanides also can be reduced. Cyanides also can be reduced to amines, and amides also can be reduced. C double bond O, NH2, this amide group. These amide groups also reduced. Amides also reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. This you have to remember. If you know this clearly, reactions are very easy. Then we have another, sodium borohydride. This sodium borohydride can reduce aldehydes and ketones to alcohols. Sodium borohydride can reduce aldehyde and ketones to their respective alcohols. Clear? So it is not that much strong when compare lithium aluminum hydride. So it can reduce to maximum aldehyde ketones to alcohols. Clear? So if you have clear chart about this reducing agent, reactions are very easy. Reactions you can make easily. Clear? Let I am taking some examples. Here I am explaining few examples for you. Clear now? Go for it. Here examples I am taking. Few examples. Look here. Example number 1. Here they given RCHO in the presence of hydrogen and nickel catalyst. nickel catalyst. Look here, this is aldehyde. Aldehyde is easily reduced in the presence of hydrogen and nickel catalyst. It will reduce aldehyde to alcohol. Aldehyde to alcohol. Already we learned. Look here, aldehydes are reduced to alcohol. Hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. How it will be takes place? Let I am explaining how bonds are going to be break. Look here, this is our C double bond O group and H, and here we have hydrogen, H bond H in the presence of nickel, and nickel helping to break the bonds. Then minus, one will be plus. This minus, and here you have oxygen is more electronegative, del minus, carbon is del plus, more electronegative minus, the remaining plus. Clear? It is very clear. Now this minus will attack on plus. This plus will attack on minus. Clear? Plus will attack on minus. This group, OH group, R, C, OH group, and this already CH is there. This hydride will attack CHH, CH2. So what we got? RCH2OH. This is RCH2OH. Clear? Next, go for another example. R C double bond O R dash, giving rise to, in the presence of H2 platinum. So already we learned that esters are reduced in the presence of hydrogen, that is hydrogen, platinum, palladium or nickel to alcohol. This is ester. This is we have here ketones. Ketones are reduced to alcohols. Clear? RCOR, ketone. Now look here, what you are getting are ketones converted into alcohols. Here you are getting RCO, that is RC, here O because electronegative, this is electropositive, bond going to be break. Here we have R dash. Clear? R dash means here hydrogen will be added, then you are getting R dash. This is H. So what type of alcohol this is? This is primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol. So what we conclude? When aldehydes are react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst, primary alcohol you are getting. When ketones are react with hydrogen in the presence of platinum, nickel, you are getting secondary alcohol. Clear? I will take example here. CH3 bond C double bond O C2H5 in the presence of H2 and platinum. What are the products you are getting? Look here. Here one hydrogen minus one plus. Minus will attack always carbon. Plus will attack always nitrogen. So CH3 bond, this group bonded with CH, and this is OH. Already we have C2H5. 4 carbons we have bute. Second carbon we have whole, bute 2 whole. So bute 2 whole nothing means 2-butanol. Clear? Next go for another example. RCOOH in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride followed by water, means in aqueous medium. So I told that lithium aluminum hydride reduce acid to alcohol. Clear? Acid to alcohol. So this will converted into alcohol simply. This will converted into alcohol. What you are getting? RCH2OH. RCH2OH means primary alcohol. 1 degree alcohol you are getting. How mechanism will be takes place? Look here. R C double bond OH. This is acid in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride in aqueous medium. Clear? See here, when acid is this group is going to be break. This group is going to be break. Then you are getting RC, and this is more electronegative. Break the bond. Here O. This is the group you are getting. Now, lithium aluminum hydride reducing agent. It will reduce carbon to CH2, oxygen to OH. So just we have to add hydrogen atoms. This is primary alcohol. Clear? Now you go for other example. RCHO giving rise to, means aldehyde, sodium borohydride. I told that sodium borohydride, aldehyde, ketones reduces to alcohols. So what you are getting here? CH2OH. 1 degree alcohol you are getting. How it will be possible? Look here. R C double bond OH giving rise to NaBH4. Look here. Reducing agent will provide hydrogen. This is negative, this is positive. This oxygen reduces to OH. This CH group reduces to CH2. So this is 1 degree alcohol. So if you know this chart clearly, it is easy to remember for NEET, JEE and CET. This chart is very important. Now one previous year question I will discuss to you. Clear? What is that question? Go for it. Look here. One compound I am taking. CH2 single bond C double bond OCH3 giving rise to sodium borohydride, and they are asking what is the product. So think yourself a little bit time. This reactant given, this is not benzene, cyclic compound. Sodium borohydride given. What is the product you are getting? Look here. In this reactant, 2 types of functional groups are there. C double bond O, ketone. Here COOR, ester. Here the group we have ester group, and here the group we have ketone group. I told that sodium borohydride can reduce ketone or aldehyde to alcohol, not ester. It will not reduce the esters. That's why you have to reduce this oxygen only, means ketone only. not this. The product you are getting, this is OH remaining same to same. Clear? So this is ester group, this is ketone group. Ketone only reduced to alcohol, but this group cannot. So we have to remember that given reagent will reduce to what? Esters cannot be reduced by sodium borohydride. In this place, if lithium aluminum hydride or hydrogen in the presence of platinum, nickel, palladium, then this can be reduced. Means different product you are getting. Different product. So like these questions you are getting. So my dears, one more time I am saying that learn this chart effectively. If you need to make the screenshot also, then easy. Clear? So these are very important to convert alcohols from carbonyl compounds by reduction. Lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride and hydrogen. So it will be helpful for your NEET, JEE and CET purpose. Please concentrate. Be safe at home. Thank you.